In this video, you will learn how to enable auto rotate on TikTok now. Open the phone settings, go to your device settings app, and TikTok use your phone rotational preferences. Find the display option, scroll down and tap display or display brightness, depending on your phone's model. Enable auto rotate, turn on auto rotate or screen rotation, toggle to activate the system feature worldwide for your phone. Open the TikTok app, launch the TikTok app on your phone once the auto rotate is enabled. Start watching or recording a video. Play or record a video and rotate your phone. TikTok will automatically switch between portrait and landscape modes. Adjust in-app orientation. If rotation does not occur, swipe down from the top of your screen and confirm the auto rotation icon is active in your quick settings. Now you know. Now you know how to enable auto rotate on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.